So here we have these lap siding installation tools. Now, full disclosure, this is a paid review, but the opinions in this video are my own. I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick overview of these, and then I'll show you how to use them. Alright, so as you can see, it comes with 2 of them, and they're made of a pretty thick, durable plastic. Now, these are set up for 5/16 inch siding, but you can use these spacers they came with, and that'll let you do 3/8 inch or 7/16 inch. You can see there's 2 different thicknesses here for each one of those. And you just have to unscrew this and put them under there. They have a minimum spacing of 4 inches and a maximum of 8.5 inches. So it'll cover boards all the way up to 10 inches wide. And of course it's super easy to adjust. It just slides back and forth in 1/4 inch increments. And then you just slide the pin in one of the holes and tighten on this nut to lock it in place. Anyway, let me go show you how to use these. Alright, so we're just going to take the first one, slide it up there like that, and then lock it down. Then do the same with the second one on the other side. You don't want to lock them down all the way because if you do, there'll be a gap between the panel and the wall. So just loosen it up to about halfway and then you're good to go. It's not completely solid, but it's held on tight enough. Anyway, once you have both of those locked on there, you can easily set your board right on top and then nail it in. Then it's easy enough just to take them off and repeat the steps all the way up. So yeah, overall, these things are great. And in my opinion, way easier than using a spacer block.